Your company's most valuable assets are the people who make up your company. So you need to invest where it counts the most. If your people are miscommunicating with and misunderstanding each other, or worse, overrunning each other, then your company has problems. Make an investment in your business with a personality and communication training with your John Maxwell Team DISC certified instructor. Our DISC training reveals to each person insights about their own personality and how they send and receive information. The open sharing of each other's communication profiles allows your team to support each other's needs and promote their strengths so that everyone can establish an understanding of how to promote healthy and productive communication culture. Each DISC training results in a map that helps leaders learn how to help their employees feel accomplished and fulfilled. When you lower barriers to communication, your company raises productivity. Managers learn how to help their employees feel accomplished and powerful. And businesses see the power of this clarity at the bottom line. Walk a path to ensuring that your team communicates clearly and effectively. Invite your John Maxwell Team DISC certified instructor to bring this training to your business.